Discrimination, meaning unfair treatment of a person or a group based on a prejudice. Example, the law prohibits discrimination in hiring.
Elimination, the act of removing or getting rid of something. He desperately wants to eliminate what he sees as the only threat to his activities.
Encroach, to enter by a gradual step or by stealth into possession or rights of another. Example, my classmate is always leaning on my desk and trying to encroach upon my personal space. Encroach.
Equality. The state of being equal, especially in status, rights, and opportunities. Example, an organization aiming to promote racial equality.
Freedom, the power or right to act, speak, or think as one wants without hindrance or restraint. State or quality of being free. Example, we are fighting for freedom.
Gender neutral, spelled as GENDERNEUTRAL. Gender neutral. This means suitable for, applicable to, or common to both male and female gender. Example, gender neutral terms like flight attendant, firefighter, and police officer.
Inalienable, not transferable to another or not capable of being taken away or denied. Example, human rights are universal and inalienable, and no one can take them away.
Liberty is the quality or state of being free. Example, the right to liberty is one of the most fundamental human rights.